Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, December 17th, 2024, just a few days left before Christmas. Welcome to Tim the Trader Live Trading Room. Glad you're all here. Hope you had a lovely evening last night. So here is yesterday's trades. Let Tracy in. Ended up with 7 trades, took two more trades a little after we got off on a couple of these little swing highs. But yesterday we did have that swing high that happened yesterday, first thing in the morning, right here, that we were able to get several trades from. Took a trade real early, as you know, in that first minute. Had to wait a little bit through a couple of pullbacks, but it did end up proving correct on that. A lot of you stayed in that put trade that did come back and made some money on. So good on you. I got out, took a little hit on that, but made it up. So it was a good day yesterday. And let me get rid of that. And the rest of the afternoon was just kind of a slow rise all afternoon. And then finally in the last hour, in the golden hour, or actually the last half hour, started pulling back a little bit and selling off. So Q ended up at 538.25 and it's currently sitting at 536.58 right now. Let's get on up there. So no gap play this morning. Let me get rid of something over here. And we have 829,000 in pre-market volume. We are trading tomorrow's expiration, which is December 18th, 2024. I can't believe how fast Christmas has come around this year. I think we had there's a week less this season than we did last season. Anyway, it is what it is. Anyway, we're starting at or near the money, 537 on the call side, 536 on the call side, 537 on the put side. And with that, I see Keith has taken his mute off his mic. Let's say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, good day of trading yesterday. Only had 2 trades, but both positive and a good day. Good day. I tried to look at the VPA analysis in the afternoon of that rise, and it just nothing that I saw confirmed to get in to run that rise up. So anyway, just trade those 2 in the morning. Today we had some retail sales numbers come out this morning, sort of mixed. A couple of them were a little high, a couple of them were a little bit low, but not much difference there. We will have a business inventories at 10 o'clock and a housing market index at 10 o'clock, so we could get a pop today. We will have a 20-year bond auction tomorrow or today at 1. And today started the FOMC meeting, and they'll report interest decisions tomorrow at 2, followed up with a press conference at 2:30. And that's about it today.
Okay, and we will be there tomorrow at 2. We'll come back at 2 for the announcement, and of course the presser that will happen immediately following that, and see if we can get some decent price movement out of that, as we usually get. We didn't last time. Last time was just flat, just not a lot going on. I guess everything was already baked in.
Actually, the last 2 times were pretty flat, as I recall,
Last
also.
two, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So maybe we'll get something this time. We used to just get wild, as you guys know, get wild movement. Here we go in 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Kind of snuck up on us real quick. All righty. And we are in. So let me get my broader indices up here real quick. Okay, 9, 7, 5, 1, Go. Let me let star in. So price is pushing down here a bit.
Hey, morning,
And
Tim.
I'm sorry.
Morning, Tim.
Oh, good morning. Glad you're here. So Dow is down 215, NASDAQ's down 88, S&P's down 30. So pretty red market this morning. I'm going to go over to the um, probably the 538. No, I'm going to go to the 537 on the put side. And we'll just keep an eye on this for a little bit.
Little pricey this morning.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Just waiting for that FOMC decision tomorrow.
Yep, yep. So price trying to go down here a little bit. Pretty good volume. We're already up to 1.7 million. All right. 537 on the put side. Stand by. And we're getting some reversal now. Good. Not ready to go out of the ballpark yet. All right, see if price can come back down and continue this put run or this sell off. Still looking at that 537 on the put side, 537 strike put. All right, stand by. So you're kind of establishing a range here. Let me move that candle up. Both MACDs are in the put bias position. All right, we are 5 minutes in. We've got 2.3 million on the underlying.
I put a pseudo supply zone at the top of that first 5-minute candle.
Yep.
$2.4 million underlying traded in that first 5 minutes into the market here.
right, let me edit this. We're going to give it an extra day. We're going to change the color to red.
Well, it's hard to believe. The Dow is down and poised to do their first 9-day losing streak since the 70s.
Since the 70s?
Since the 70s, it says.
Wow.
I find that hard to believe, but okay.
I know. All right, price slowly rising here.
It's a pretty good volume here on the 1-minute candles here so far.
Indeed. It's like we may be entering a accumulation phase. So going back to that 537 on the put side, stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter this 537. And I am filled at 368.
And I just got in on that also at 368 also.
Okay. Bit of a reversal going on right now. We're going to hold with this. Getting a demand zone here. Okay, we're going to put a demand zone on the bottom. Right there. All right. We got a real demand zone in. Does that price continue to sell off here? Came down to the demand zone, couldn't quite break through.
Bounce off VWAP and come back down.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Come on.
Have to break through the supply zone here, trying to.
Whoa.
All right, going over to the call side to the 535 on the call side.
We still keep this put, Tim?
Yeah, we'll keep this put. All right, I'm going to enter this call trade. That'll for sure make it turn around. In at 394.
Same here.
Getting a real supply zone in here, if that stays. Coming down to VWAP. All right, price coming back up. Okay, let's see what's going on here. We've got 4,600,000 in on the underlying. Not bad. Not great. See what our broader markets are doing. So we've got Dow is down by 249, Nas down by 64, S&P down by 22. Price cycling back down.
I did put that supply zone in.
Okay, I'm going to move this one in, move this up to here. So it's a real honest to goodness supply zone. There we go. Price coming down to VWAP. Let's come on through VWAP. Price is in a bit of a distribution phase right now. We'll expect price to come back down. So if you just joined us, as I know several people have, we have two trades on right now. We have a call and a put. And we're kind of right, price is right in the middle of the two positions right now. I'm gaining a slow sell-off here.
We got about 5 minutes to the pop at the top, too.
Okay. Push through VWAP again. Price rising. Unfortunately, we're going to have to wait a while for these trades to play out. We may find some other opportunities in the meantime. Price just kind of hanging out between VWAP and the supply zone. We will get a breakout here.
You got a minute to the pop.
Okay. Hopefully the pop will get something moving here. See, we got 5,254,000 traded on the underlying.
Here comes the pop.
All right, come on down. Let's break through this demand zone. There we go. Keep coming.
Nice.
Yes. That's what it was supposed to do when we first got into this trade. Oh, somebody just got out of a trade. 384. I'm going to try to get 20 cents out of this.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, Kevin.
Good morning, Israel. How are you?
Doing good. Doing good. Very good, sir. So you guys take it the next day, not today's expiration date?
Yes.
So we can run it through, if, it doesn't trend our way, we can run it through until tomorrow without being closed out, correct?
That's correct.
Is that the reason you do the next day?
Well, actually, we do the next day to kind of minimize time decay
Oh, okay.
a little
Very
bit.
I
Oh,
tend
I
to,
got out. 361 to 383.
Oh, very good.
Now it will go down. Now it's coming down. Wait.
I hope it goes down a little further.
Yes, it's coming down. See?
All right. Stand by to take some profit. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. And out at 394, 368 to 394. So all right. Come on, let's break through.
didn't quite get to my exit price.
No?
Just missed it by about 4 cents.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, may possibly look at doubling down on this call trade as this rises.
I'm going back down so I can get out of this.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, team, are you still in call trade?
Yes.
Oh, okay, thanks.
Yep. We got rid of the put for profit. Now we're watching price rise here a bit, although it's getting stuck at the demand zone for a little bit.
Like we can move that demand zone down now, though.
Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm going to create a new demand zone. Okay. That, do that.
Hey, Kevin. Kevin
I think you mean Keith.
or Keith?
Yes,
Sorry. While we're waiting, can you explain when you say put a pseudo demand?
it wasn't a pseudo. I just moved the demand zone down.
No, previously.
Oh, the pseudo was just originally was the high of the first 5-minute candle. But we've since moved it up to like was it third and fourth candle, 5-minute candle.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. All right, come on now. Come on down. Get through there.
Oh, you're so close.
Trying to push it down further there. Come on.
We got some definite resistance down here.
Yeah.
Just doesn't want to quite break through, but I believe it will. Just too much down pressure.
All right. I got out at 388. So 268 to, oh, excuse me, 368 to 388.
Okay.
20 cents. Okay, now it can go up.
Now it can go up.
Yeah.
That's right.
Let's go ahead and get up there and take care of this call trade.
Had the Sheem effect. As soon as I got out, now it's going down further.
Yeah, of course.
Both those reports at 10 o'clock were pretty much right on what they were anticipating.
Okay.
Housing market was down just a tad, but within they were expecting 47 and it came in at 46.
Hmm.
So not much difference.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yep. All right, here we go. Getting a crossover in the MACD, trying to head on up.
Let's get on up there. What do we got here? We got 7,100,000 in. We're halfway through the session. Let's see what that Dow down 203, Nas down 142, S&P down 32.
Oh, come on. Yeah, get back up there.
Besides wrecking my nerves, it makes me hungry to go through this.
Let me go back to the put side here to the 536 on the put side. Although we are at the very bottom of this range, it's always be dangerous to bet on continuation when you're at the bottom of the range.
Yeah, MACD's pretty low too.
Yeah.
It's been trying to come back up. As soon as you get into a put, it will come up.
No doubt.
All right, market maker, I think you filled the warehouse enough.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's get this reversal going here. Now, our 1 minute Heikenausi MACD has crossed just barely, but may cross back under here. Yeah, we're kind of watching paint dry right now. Just going sideways. This is a accumulation phase that we're in. We should see some rise once we get out of this accumulation phase.
I think it's trying to turn that tanker around too.
Mm-hmm. Getting into some lower volume right now. Market maker keeps trying to turn price around. Come on. There we go. Let this be the start of a full retracement.
Oh my God, it was so low. Begin of a beginning now.
Mm-hmm.
I really wish Then after I'm out from the trade, if somehow I could get back into that trade,
Mm-hmm.
make more money.
Yeah. Yeah, if this gets past VWAP, I'll look at doubling down on it.
Probably can move that. Well, I'll wait a little bit for moving the demand zone down.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're a couple of minutes past an hour in. We've got 8,100,000 in on the underlying, and Dow is down 264, Nas down 148, S&P down 35. Pretty red market. Market makers struggling against some of that.
You want the salmon market maker, the one who likes going upstream.
Mm-hmm.
Get on up there.
Market makers trying to shake out all these sellers that keep coming into the market, pushing price down. And so what the market maker will do is pull price back and forth at this level, trying to shake out bad positions that folks got in above before starting to raise price back. We just have to be patient. I mean, we've been patient, but just continue to be patient on this. I know it's difficult.
It needs a lot of, practice
Mm-hmm.
to be patient.
Guess we can't move that demand zone down now.
Yeah. So add a new demand zone down here. And we'll turn this one into a minor zone.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
All righty.
Tim, are you still in the call trade
I am.
and no put trade? Is that correct?
No put trade. We sold that one.
Hey, I made a profit on that one, but I was waiting for a little while, just making sure.
Yep. We're on the same page. Come on, get on up there. Let's start the retracement now. We need are for buyers to come back in. What happens is price will get down to a point where it becomes a bargain to start buying the calls.
I figured it'd be up by VWAP now. What were you
Mm-hmm.
doing while I was gone?
Well, it's moving in the right direction anyway.
Yep.
But with all this down momentum for this whole time, it's surprising there's any sellers left in the market. It looks like the market maker may have beat them all out of the market by now. Can start raising the price. Start attracting buyers back into the market.
After this, I got to go fishing.
Yeah. do not blame you.
We'll be here. Tim, has this happened to you previously? Has this happened previously where
Oh yeah.
you wait a while?
Yep. Yeah, it happens. Happens fairly often. Not that we stay in them this long, but we did today. The put worked out nicely. Came all the way back, showing the market has a willingness to move price that far. Come on, let's get up to VWAP, get past VWAP. And we've got all that clear space all the way up. Market maker taking out stops near the zones. See if this is going to turn into a crazy Ivan. All right, so it was a 2-minute crazy Ivan.
Come on up.
Indeed. Come on up.
I can see Ashim in the background with his pom-pom shaking him. Come on, come on.
Absolutely. I am too.
Gotcha.
Actually, so I was not able to pick that call trade, but later I just picked one 534 on 370. So I have one call trade. 370.
Nice.
So let's see how far it can go.
Absolutely. Let's get through that minor zone and then get through VWAP. Come on, break on through. Let's go. We often have trouble getting through VWAP up here, but once it pops through VWAP, good chance that will continue going.
There you go. Come on.
We got three, but my candles are green, green Hakanashi. Is that correct?
Uh, Yes.
How is that possible? It was supposed to reverse.
Are you talking about a doji?
The doji. I'm sorry, the doji. Oh, there it
Oh,
goes. It's going
yeah.
up.
Come on up. Let's get off of this zone. Let's break through VWAP. Let's continue on up. There we go. Just like that. Except you got to stay up there.
Why didn't you say that before, Tim?
Really? What the heck are you waiting for, Tim?
Yes, go up. I don't want to see any red now. All the way green. I don't like it.
Hey, Tim, on your lower left chart, you have that arrow above the candle, above the a red candle.
Mhm.
It's right at the top of the wick.
Yep. Yep. That's just it's an old indicator that I'd like to get rid of. It just shows change of direction,
Okay.
as if we couldn't see that.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Damn, I'm glad I didn't get frustrated and pull out of this.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just experiencing just the normal cycling of price. You know, VPA tells us when it's down at an accumulation phase, which it was at the bottom of this price rotation. And it was actually down there for quite a ways, for quite a while. And then the market maker is going to bring price back up, selling into this swing high. But just getting stuck at VWAP right now, which is not unusual. Come on through. Come on through. Joe, excuse me for 1 minute.
There we go. Come on. Keep it moving. Get a gap up here too.
Come on up. I just want to make $1 here. Let's see.
Keep going. Keep going.
No. No red. Mm-mm.
We got 9,700,000. And on the underlying, Dow is down by 252, Nas down by 96, S&P by 27. So the market maker's got a real fight bringing price up. I believe it'll continue to come up. Boy, we have stayed on VWAP for a long time.
That we have.
Stop the recording here.